Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer ownership of a Google Drive folder. All right. Same goes to different files right here. Now for a folder, for example, this folder right here, I'm just going to right click on it. Now go ahead and hit on share and share once more. All right. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, my wife is a viewer. Now I'm going to add in my second account right here. This one. And I'm going to give the permission as an editor. Hit on send. Now, once the person accepts it, for example, I'm going to show you. All right, as you can see here, it says my first account who shared a folder. This means that the person now have the access. All right. So going back, as he had the access, I wanted to transfer the ownership. Right click on it again and go to share. Share right here. Now, as you can see, this second account of mine, he is an editor. Now, what we're going to do here is just basically click on editor right here. And as you can see, we now have the option to transfer the ownership. That's basically how you do it. Just click on it and it will be moved. There'll be a prompt right here. The new owner will be notified and could remove you. You also might lose the ability to change share settings. Some people will lose access to this item unless this item is shared directly with them. All right. If you're sure, just hit on yes and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.